Come test drive the 2021 Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid is equipped with the standard 3.3-liter V6 270 horsepower hybrid engine that achieves 27 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Offering a spacious interior, smooth ride, and refined hybrid powertrain, the Highlander is an excellent family vehicle that combines exceptional fuel economy and a spacious, well-appointed interior. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, trip odometer, power brakes, clock, cargo area light, airbags, electronic brake force distribution. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.